OpenSciEd, Identifying Outliers in CODAP Video Tutorial. Student-facing video. A CODAP document is shown. A text box asks, what would you like to do? With choices to open document or browse examples, or create new document.
To eliminate outliers from your dataset using CODAP, you're going to create a new document.
The user selects Tables and New.
You will create a new table, which I am going to name Experiment A as an example. I'll rename this variable with the name of the variable that I measure. And here I will introduce my data.
The user enters data into the table for time of collision. They add 11 instances of various times.
Once I have introduced all my data, I'll click on Graph, and on the horizontal axis I'm going to click on the name of the variable that I created, time of collision. So notice that CODAP is going to organize my data from the lowest value to the highest value. And if I click on the ruler symbol and then on box plot, it's going to show me the spread of my data, and it's going to show me where most of my data points are concentrated. If I put my cursor here, it's going to show me the value of the median of my data. To identify outliers, I just need to click on this option, and in this case it's telling me that this data point is an outlier.
The box plot shrinks and a plus sign indicates a data point that is far from the others. The video ends. OpenSciEd.